Welcome back to another Call of Duty mobile video. I told you guys I'd upload again today when I unlocked the 50.GS, or the new handgun anyway. I'm gonna just call it a Desert Eagle because that's what it looks like. So we finally got it. I'm pretty sure this can do akimbo. It doesn't look like anything else is going to do damage. There are attachments that are obviously going to do range, but nothing's going to boost damage. Although it already has a lot of damage for a handgun, so let's just jump in and check it out. I thought I might use the Arctic 50. It's kind of like a close range build for it. And I'm gonna just flick out the handgun every now and again and try to use it as the close quarters weapon. Wow. It's not bad. Feels a lot more accurate than the 6-shooter, and a lot more damage than the MW11, which I really thought was a 1911 for some reason. I think because zombies normally you have that gun when you start. So this thing's got a pretty good amount of power to it. Looking good. Ooh. Now to unlock this thing, man, you had to do 5 melee kills, and then I think it was pistol eliminations. Let me just get this prick. Like honestly, bro, you're gonna sit there and camp while you don't even have objectives yet. But yeah, like I was saying, pretty sure you had to do melee kills, then pistol kills, as well as that quick fix perk. Kills with that, kills with the JR, whatever the hell that 6-shooter's called, with a laser. Kills with that, with the 3 on it. And then headshot, pistol headshot, which the pistol headshots were the most annoying thing I have done in a long time. Because it felt like I was hitting headshots with it, but it wasn't counting, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'd even hear the noise to sort of represent it's a headshot, but he wouldn't say boom headshot. Ended up having to go to shipment and just use a handgun for like a few games.
We're capturing C. Captured C. Enemy has Alpha. Enemy contact. Taking the lead.
Let's just spray all this out. I will never stop using the hives, I don't think. It's way too good. A lot of people say, oh, use the Annihilator, use that damn shield thing, use the wall, but I don't know, the hive is just like having extra traps, it's great. It really does suck when you die right after playing one over. Well, what are you gonna do? Thank you, whoever cleaned that up. Drop down a chopper. Ooh. Man, I think I might have shot him at the same time as his grenade killed me. Alright, this guy's gonna go for the power play, so let's just jump on him. I don't understand your logic, dude. You're on fire, why are you laying down? Ugh, it's getting messy. Alright, we recovered. It's alright, we got it. It's good.
Objective almost complete. Keep it up.
Not even gonna lie, that was just luck just then. That person was moving a hell of a lot. Really hard to hit someone with a handgun when they're doing that.
Enemy inside. Online. Losing C.
Man, what a loser. Why would you just camp up in the building just to get 1 or 2 kills every now and again? while all your objectives are being taken. Oh, and then he comes out the back to get one quick little dog shot. What a loser. I have to say that is a really good secondary weapon. It'd be cool if we could use shotguns as secondaries, like, what was that? Was that World War? It was one of the Call of Duties. You can use shotguns as secondaries, and it was pretty good. And I don't mean with the perk, I mean like they were classed as a secondary. Alright, now we're going to jump in and do the akimbo. I'm going to skip forward to when I unlock that. Which would be now. How clean does this gun look? Alright, so now we've got akimbo. We're going to try it out. I'm pretty sure I'm not going to like this, because the Fennec is good on its own without doing the whole akimbo thing. I like using it just how it is. But as soon as I started using it, akimbo just sucks. Oh boy, I got one of these douchebags that are going to just sit there and just camp. Well, I can already say this gun feels like it has less damage because, well, obviously it does. It has retardedly less accuracy. You shot in the back already. Wow. But two of them together does kind of work nice as like a bit of a shot burst, like a shotgun. What a surprise, it's this douchebag. Oh boy. It's been a great day for people like this, by the way. Like, oh my god. Doing all the challenges and achievements to unlock all this stuff has just been, it's been fun. I don't normally use handguns, so facing up against annoying people like this with a handgun is kind of annoying for me. Of course, yeah. This guy is honestly just going to sit there and camp between the two objectives. And put in no work whatsoever on capturing the objectives. He just wants kills to make himself look good. So that's where this gun is going to be good, to combo it like that. That works pretty well. It's kind of hard to learn how to use weapons during a game. You know what I mean? Like when you're used to using SMGs, you're used to using sniper rifles. Now I'm having to learn how to use pistols.
Capture the objectives. Heads up, team. Enemy UAV spotted. Hostiles jamming our
Right, well, let's go set up some of these hives so that douchebag doesn't just sit up here camping the entire game, even though we all know he's going to. What a surprise. Lucky I hit him with that hive, huh? Alright. I'm not gonna repetitively die to a moron that's gonna sit there and just make sure he gets the advantage by sitting there camping and not capturing objectives. Like, what are you contributing to your team by sitting there doing nothing but killing? How about you get out there and actually capture some objectives? And then when you get kills in the game, you know, you're at least contributing to your team instead of leaving like 1 or 2 people to capture the objective. Wow, that's some clean shots, man. This gun actually, once you get used to it, feels pretty good.
Losing C. Captured Alpha. We've taken the lead. Friendly airstrike incoming. Enemy in sight!
Alright, that's a little bit. Whoa, how you going? Yeah, it's a little bit inaccurate then.
Hold your positions.
So you can't really strafe actually with this too well then. Let's just line all this up for that douchebag who wants to do nothing but camp while we have every last objective. Oh, it's over. Wasn't even looking at the score. Look who's camping. So why everybody, and I mean like literally everybody, is capturing objectives, you're sitting up there and camping. While every last objective is captured against you, so you lose. Smart plays, man. Thanks for watching.